Volkswagen US confirms integration of ChatGPT in its cars. Google recently announced to incorporate Gemini with Android Auto, which is now followed by Volkswagen's announcement regarding ChatGPT's integration in the latest cars. Artificial intelligence is an evolving field which is seamlessly leaving its mark in every field and device that you can ever think of. You won't be surprised to know that it's now marching towards cars too. The in-car voice assistant of Volkswagen is dubbed as IDA, but it will be adequately dependent on ChatGPT to power cloud-based responses, and it's all set to launch on September 6th in 2025 Jetta and Jetta GLI, plus the 2024 ID.4 equipped with the 82 kilowatt-hour threshold. However, the ChatGPT integration would be expanded to other cars too. Supposedly, most of the 2025 Volkswagen series would be incorporated, including other models such as ID.4 models, the ID Buzz van, Golf R, and more, while Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport models are expected to get the AI by 2026. Cerence, a car chatbot company, is offering ChatGPT support, and generative AI would be able to resolve your complex queries and comprehend your commands well, according to Volkswagen. Additionally, a few Volkswagen cars would feature a subscription option to buy it, especially the ID.4 and ID Buzz have 3 years of access to the Plus speech plan, whereas the other cars would only offer 1 year of subscription plan.